Yo, what's good, everybody? We got 100K, okay, we got 100K.
Okay.
100K, okay, we got 100K back up into there, man. Alright, man, we got some legendary V.I.P, man. It been a while since some packs up, man. But your boy feeling himself, man. You know what I mean? Cause your boy feels I feel like I'm about to turn Hulk on your packs right, man. Because I ripped that ass. No, you with me last time. Ate that goddamn marshmallow shit.
Oh, yeah.
That was murder. Yeah, that was murder at Joe Tree.
I remember like half of it. Do you?
Somewhat.
Somewhat.
So, do you want to go first?
No.
Okay. The 2K Messiah is black. Watch out for these. Watch out for them, bro. It's just too easy, man. The way I'm making it. Ooh, Vinny Johnson. Who is you? Vinny Johnson.
Vinny Johnson.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Thank you, EPT22.
Love your YouTube channel. It's always weird to see you do the intro live.
You know what? This is for your here, brother. Alright, man. Okay, so I should preach.
Preach?
I haven't preached. That's the old Cash Nasty. I used to preach. But before I preach, let me give you a word.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
I was warming up, baby. Woman!
What are you gonna preach about?
Hmm?
What are you gonna preach about? How you never get any golds?
No. I'm preaching about. Got.
Robert Parrish. Yes. I think it's 210. We don't have him, do we?
I'm gonna tell y'all something, alright, bro? When I was younger, I'll get rid of my fucking
we'll redo again.
I'll get real. I can't stand this nigga! You fuck ass nigga! Get quick so real quick! Young, adolescent.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Knicks gotta win. Can Knicks fans look forward to?
Oh my gosh! Oh hell no!
What about them Cavs though?
We ain't no fun Cavs. We ain't no fun Cavs. What about your goddamn team? What about your goddamn team?
I don't have a team.
I can't even preach. What is this?
One gold so far.
I remember being young guys, adolescent. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, guys. I remember riding my bicycle. I mean, I started just like everybody else, man. You know what I mean? I want people who I couldn't have training wheels, all right? Let's illustrate this, all right? Training wheels. Who uses training wheels? Huh?
What?
You use training wheels?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't have a father.
No!
I didn't have a father to teach me how to ride a bike.
You use training wheels because you needed help. I grew up in the Savage Nation, baby. Let me tell you tonight. My mama brought me home a bike with training wheels. You hear me? That fucking training wheels got stolen off the bitch.
The training wheels?
The training wheels, nigga. On Christmas Day.
Didn't steal the bike?
No, fuck the bike. The bike got $20 with the training wheels. Guess what I had to do though? Had to adapt. That's what I do. I go in the kingdom and I adapt. Alright? I go in your hood, and I'm the king.
My shot be ballin'. Yo, girl on me say I'm hella rich. I'm getting money, but that's evident. Alright, boy, nasty man. Now I should be the president.
Take it, Tyler. I'll tell you something, right? What happened was, I had to adapt, right?
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
I know, right? I tried
that doesn't mean they're gonna get a title.
I tried to say.
I'm talking about title. I'm talking about tonight.
Listen, alright. Listen, I go in your hood, no matter who, right? Who the boss is, right? Who's the Messiah? I want to talk to him, right? I got in that motherfucking bike. You know what happened? You know what happened? Do you want to know what happened?
What?
I fell off the bike multiple times. And guess what I did? Guess what I did?
What'd you do?
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Yeah, bro, this is the right place for you, bro. Cause you're a Celtics fan. This is the right place for you, my brother. All right, man. All right, brother. This is a good place for you. Cause you Celtics fans go, bro, and you Knicks fans too. So I'm gonna tell you something else, right? Every time I fell off the motherfucking bike, I got madder. Right?
Madder.
I got furious. You know why? You know why? Cause I feel like that goddamn bicycle was a process. I feel like it didn't want me to do what I had to do. Alright? My mom and dad look at me and say, you better get your ass up, son, when they sipping the beer. Okay? I didn't have no helper in like you. Okay? I didn't have the hamburger helper, man, like you had on your goddamn box, nigga. We ate the goddamn Great Value Walmart brand, nigga. Okay? I'm tired of goddamn packs, bro. Bro, the packs just the packs just whack as hell. Alright? You know what happened? You know what happened?
Wait, how did...
You know what happened? Every time I fell off and got back up, you know what happened?
What?
I developed. Alright? That's what brought the savage out of me.
You didn't develop pulling golds.
So ass bags, bro.
So we've gotten 1 gold so far.
Bro, I can't even preach, man. I can't.
How can you preach with this shit?
I'm sorry, I can't speak.
Look at the flick of their wrist.
Yeah,
Look at the flick of their wrist.
Look
Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick.
Just give me a gold.
What you mean, could be? It will be. I'm the 2K Messiah. Put my crown on.
Rolando.
You black ass nigga.
He's not good?
Hell no, this nigga like a goddamn snake.
What?
This nigga long, man.
Oh my god. Oh, 2-1. Always get him. Always get him. Is that the good one? Is that the good one? Or the not good one?
Ryan 2K. With your fucking saltiness. Next time, I'm not gonna listen. I'm not gonna accept this goddamn ass packs.
Isn't it my turn?
No, it's my turn.
It's my
I'm
turn.
talking here. You need to fix this shit up. You understand me? Cause you fucking up my reputation. Look at this murder. You laughing with your little hairstyle. You go in the mirror in the morning, put your gel up, looking like a goddamn motherfucking arrow sticking up like an Indian, a feather top of your head. You gotta respect me, man. The packs are dry as hell. Okay? Fix this shit before I fix you. This is the most driest pack I've ever seen. Oh my goodness.
It's very dry.
Oh my goodness.
You did 2 in a row. Oh my
Alright, we
god.
done here. Hey, look at that fish trolling. We done here, dude. We done here, dude. We done here, dude. Guys, think I watching this pack on right here, guys. We can do shit. This was fucked up, man. This pack been fucked up, man. It been rigged, man. It been rigged, brother. Alright, today is Martin Luther King Day. That's what it is.
What?
2K racist.
Oh, be quiet.
That's what it is. I ain't Booker packs. Wow, on Martin Luther King Day, they got shoes. Listen. On Martin Luther King, any other day, they got shoes 50% off.
Shoes?
So try to say all black people like shoes or some shit?
On the game?
Yeah. So they try to say that black people just like shoes?
Are you gonna buy some?
No, I'm not. That's what the fuck it is, bro. And that's sad. Because you didn't respect me. How the fuck you gonna give a goddamn 50% shoe down on Martin Luther King Day? I'm gonna tell you something, bro. Right, man? You should be ashamed of yourself, bro. This is murder, bro. This ain't shit. Oh my god, 75%. See, got this back over.